Avalon Technologies. This is an EMS company, Electronic Manufacturing Services company, and it was listed in April 2023. And after that, it gave a huge rally, then again came down, and after that, it has been swinging up and down. But chances are that Avalon Technologies might have become stable at this point, and then it could be starting another rally. So why do I think this is going to happen? Let's find out in this video, and make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm going to do the complete analysis of this stock, fundamental and price action analysis, and also keep in mind that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational video. My goal is to make you aware of Avalon Technologies, right? So with that said, let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Avalon Technologies official website. Like always, I will share this link in the description section, and you will get to know a lot about this company. Okay, now let's go to the screener page, and here we can see that Avalon Technologies is a fully integrated electronic manufacturing services company, okay, with end-to-end capabilities delivering box build solutions. Okay, now let us take a look at some of the important factors which are around this company. Okay, first of all, you can see revenue wise, product wise classification, box build 54%, and what printed integrated printed circuit board, all these things, and you can do little bit of research, and you can get to know in detail about all these things that it is manufacturing. Okay, and let us take a look at the highlight of the industries wise classification. Okay, clean energy, mobility, transport, industrial, communication, medical, these are the industries in which this business is operating. Now coming to clientele, so we have some famous name: Kaison India Private Limited, Zonar Systems, Collins Aerospace, and a lot of other companies are there. Okay, and you can see they have had relationship with these companies with for 7+ years, so that's a good thing. Okay, now revenue wise, geographic wise revenue classification, you can see India 47% and USA accounts for 53% of the revenue, and order book, it is 1244 crores as of 2024. Okay, now you can go through the official website of all these companies if you want to know a little bit of more information about this company. I have opened the website of Collins Aerospace. Okay, so this is the Collins Aerospace website. You can go through it, and you will also get to know a lot of details about its clientele. Okay, what these companies are doing. Okay, it's up to you. The more research you do, the better it is. Okay, the goal of this video is to make you aware of the important numbers which are needed for qualifying a proper investment. Okay, for a stock to qualify as a proper investment. Okay, coming to the current market price, 565 is the current market price. Okay, and then the PE is 132. Okay, all this PE is higher than the industries. I believe industry PE is 76, as you can see. Okay, so it is high, which is a good factor. It's not a bad factor, it's a good factor. Okay, which is different from the normal traditional belief that PE should be less than the industry PE. No, that is not the right approach. You will be stuck with a company for a long time and will waiting for it to give in returns. Okay, okay. Now coming to market cap, 3,700 crores, reserves 434 crores, debt 208 crores. So debt to equity ratio is 0.38, which is a good number. Okay, ROC is 6.51, kind of on the lower side, but it is normal because this stock is actually starting its good run from this point only. Okay, so obviously the earlier numbers will look little bit on the lower side. Okay, operating profit margin 7.21, this is also on the lower side. Current ratio is very good at 2.53. Sales growth 3 years average 7.89, profit growth 9.94, and EPS is negative -85. So don't be fooled by this negative EPS. I will explain you in some time why this happened. Okay, just stay with me. Okay, Altman Z score 9.05, promoter holding 50%, which is a good thing. Okay, and the last column is pledging, no pledging at all, which is again another good thing. Okay, now coming to the profit and loss statement, let us see last 3 years average profit and loss statement. Okay, so we can see that the sales of this company did grow from 2022 to 2023, but actually it came short in 2024. Okay, and same with operating profit and same with operating profit margin. Yes, these are the downside of this company, okay, as of now. But remember that this is the past. Okay, and coming to earning per share, after getting listed, obviously the earning per share decreases. That also we have seen from this point 3958 to just 9.06 and then 4.26, and this happened due to fall in operating profit and operating profit margin. Okay, this is the scenario. We just have to take a look at the quarterly results and see how where it stands, okay, in the last quarter, and why I think this could be a good investment for the future. Although its past is not that good, but it could be a good investment for future. You can see in March 2024 the sales were 216 crore. If you compare it with March 2023, there is a fall. Operating profit, yes, there is a fall, and operating profit margin, yes, there is a fall. So all these things are showing you the downside. And if I scroll down to the shareholding pattern, here you will see some interesting thing. Okay, you see the promoters have decreased their stake in last 1 year from 50.75% to 70.75% to 50.91%, almost 20% decrease. FIs did not hold any stake earlier, now they are holding 2.43, although if you compare it with previous quarters there has been some decrease. Okay, but the bright picture comes here. The DIIs did not hold any stake in March 2023 and now they are holding 22.47%. And if you take a look at the past, you can see in every quarter they are actually increasing the number from 16.28 to 17.07, then 22.47. So almost you can say around more than 5% increase, increase in stake in the last quarter itself. So this clearly tells that the stock has definitely some good potential. Else why would the domestic institutional investors would put their money? And if I expand this list, you can see a lot of famous, in fact all are really famous mutual funds which have invested in this one. Nippon India Small Cap, okay, HDFC Mutual Fund, Focus 30, Mira Asset, ELSS Tax Saver. So all of these companies have taken good stake in this company. Okay, definitely they believe in the future. Investing in stock is not only about the past, about the proven past, but the potential it holds for the future. Then only you can be the wise investor, not the average investor, the wise investor who can see things before it happens. Okay, and takes calculated risk. That is what is important. Okay, so this was all about the fundamentals of Avalon Technologies. I will say that the fundamentals in the past are not good. This company has not shown some enormous growth like the normal companies that I do analyze in this channel, but this holds definitely a good future. Why? Because this is an emerging industry, electronic manufacturing services. Okay, and also they are providing their business is also into defense, both in India and USA. That is one thing. DIAs have sharply increased their stake. Okay, these are some of the important factors, good factors about this company. Now let's take a look at the price action, which is the most important thing. Okay, so this is Avalon Technologies in weekly time frame. If you have been following this channel, you know that I made a video on this stock earlier as well. Okay, at that time I mentioned that the stock has not shown promising signs that the uptrend is going to start now. Okay, so how did I measure all of this? So first of all, I'll use the fib retracement tool. Take this as the top and this as the bottom, and I will mark the 50% line that is lying at 540, and I can clearly see that line getting broken recently. Okay, and also there is a clear scope of drawing a trend line here which is acting as support multiple times, and also okay, and one more trend line like this. Okay, so if I now remove this, okay, let me just mark the 50% line as well with a red line. Okay, done. And now I can remove this one. You see the 50% line has been broken by this stock, okay, yesterday. Okay, let me go to the daily time frame for a while, then I will come back again to weekly. So you can see the 50% line was broken yesterday with a big green candle of 5%. Okay, let us take a look at the volume. You can see the volume has been really good. Okay, and today also the volume for this candle, although it has, there is little bit of selling, the volume is very good, clearly showing the signs of a breakout. And if it stays here, okay, today, then definitely it's a confirmed breakout. Okay, this is the clear sign. Now let's take a look at the momentum indicators by going to the weekly time frame, if they confirm or not. So I am going to use the MACD and RSI. So we can see for the first time after getting listed, Avalon Technologies has started showing green bars in MACD, and there is a crossover here. Okay, and remember that this is a weekly time frame, and also you can see the stock crossing the 60 mark. in RSI level. Okay, so clearly the stock could be going up for a while up to this level, then it could retrace like this and then continue its journey upward. Okay, and same could happen with RSI. Okay, this is what the stock could look like. Okay, this is a real probability. So the question is, should you invest in this stock right now? Well, I would say the decision is up to you. Please do your own analysis and take risks accordingly. There is a chance that this stock might either come to this level, take a stall and then come down, or come to this level. This is 620, come to this level, again take a stall and then go up. So if you are someone who likes to invest only after clear cut confirmation, then I would say you should wait for the pullback, the retracement. Okay, then only it's a good option. It will come here like this, and by that time you will see that the stock will be taking support of either the 40 weeks EMA or the 30 weeks WMA. Okay, this is the 30 weeks WMA. Okay, you will see that. And if I go to the daily time frame for a while and show you, okay, so we can clearly see that the stock right now is using the 50 level EMA. It has crossed the 50 level EMA and it is going up from here. So it's although it's a clear sign of rally, initial phase of rally, but I would say it depends on you. If you want to enter now, you can, but if you want to enter after the pullback, after the confirmation, then also you can. That is, that has also a higher probability that it will give a pullback. Okay, there is a probability. And if you want to do 50% now, 50% then also it's fine. Okay, so the approach is up to you. Please do your own analysis, complete analysis, and take a step. And you know that this industry is emerging. Okay, it's a promising industry, and if you invest at around 600 level, 550, 580 or 600, then you can easily keep the target of this high. Okay, 720 let's say. And this is for swing traders. If the stock is performing well and it is showing that it will continue the rally, then there is no need to sell the entire stake. You can sell partially and stay in the game. Okay, so that is all about Avalon Technologies. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber, then consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will be able to get more stock analysis, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one. And don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You will find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.